Welcome back to Theme Park HD, where we bring you another exciting Universal Kids Resort update. Since we last brought you our coverage in mid-November, there has been significant progress made to both the hotel structural build-out, as well as the exterior aesthetics that have been finalized, as well as holes being made over at the Minions Waterway attraction. And I promise you, it wasn't the Minions. Jump in with us as we fly through the site footage from this week, as well as review the hotel renderings timeline. Let's go! Looking north, you can see the elevator shaft is now accompanied by 3 wings that are being constructed for floor 1, as well as vertical walls noticeable on the east side of the hotel structure. As reported in November 2024, the hotel will include 5 floors with an initial 300 rooms. Just a side note, original plans calls for the opportunity to expand to 600 rooms at a later date. Now we look at an elevated rendering that was approved last week by the City Council here in Frisco, Texas. Let's talk about this for a second. The finalized rendering, as depicted here, was approved unanimously by the Frisco City Council 5-0. As a former councilman myself at a neighboring city, I want to outline how the process works. First, the developer submits plans to City Development Services, where a majority of the back and forth is worked through to get the building concepts and plans to code and for the best opportunity for success. Next, the plans are sent to the Planning and Zoning Board Committee to where further discernment is exercised, leading to a vote of approval or denial. If approved, as in this case, the plans are submitted to City Council for the opportunity to approve officially, to which the developer will be held against. Before this vote, during the public hearing, a 10-year-old boy submitted his case for voting against the colorful rendering as we see here, stating it was too vibrant for the area and lobbying more for a tailored look that you see at the nearby PGA headquarters. Here is just a quick visual timeline that shows the initial renderings that were submitted in 2023 to where we are currently at 12 months later as we conclude 2024. Looking down at the hotel tri-structure, you can see a great visual of the progress that has been made in the last 2 weeks, as well as the heavy machinery and the expansive teams on site that are literally moving mountains each day. Is this the roller coaster queue that we see depicted in the rendering? Now on the screen, we see a better view of the rear of the hotel that faces north outward to the Minions Waterway. Moving along to the water attraction, you can clearly see where the water areas have been excavated since our November update, as we now see the semblance of the attraction structure going vertical inside of the water area. Well, this concludes our flight today. Thank you for jumping aboard. Tune in to Theme Park HD in 2 weeks as we bring you the final 2024 update of the year for Universal Kids Resort here in Frisco, Texas. Make sure to like and hit the subscribe button below so you can catch all of our updates, news content, and destination experience as they release. Let's go, hang on tight, bye!